Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. As usual, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just a reminder to follow us over on TikTok as well for quick stock news updates. We're getting close to that 10,000 followers and I'm really excited about that, so make sure you go and check us out. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures have bounced back and are now all in the green. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.7%, S&P 500 futures up 0.84%, and NASDAQ futures up 1.12%. Also rebounding is cryptocurrency Bitcoin, who's back above the $20,000 price point now. Bitcoin's currently trading at $20,411, up nearly 3% in the last 24 hours. Elon Musk has sent a letter to Twitter highlighting additional reasons as to why he should be able to terminate the $44 billion deal to purchase the company. Musk filed a 13D with the SEC, noting the official termination letter. The letter highlighted the Twitter whistleblower as another reason to call off the merger. The Washington Post had published a whistleblower report to Congress on August 23rd from Twitter's former chief security officer. It alleged far-reaching misconduct at Twitter. The report alleged that their platform is built in significant part on the misappropriation and infringement of third-party intellectual property, and that they're vulnerable to systemic disruption resulting from data center failures or malicious actors. Analysts currently rate the Twitter stock a hold while this ordeal between them and Elon is resolved. Shares of Avid Technology are on the rise this morning after it was announced that the company would be joining the S&P 600 Small Cap Index. Avid Technology engages in the provision of technology services for the media and entertainment industry. They develop, market, sell, and support software and integrated solutions for video and audio content creation. They'll be replacing Plantronics Poly in the index, and all ETFs that track the index will automatically have to purchase their stock. Analysts currently rate the Avid Technology stock a strong buy with an average upside of 44%. And EV company Lucid Motors has filed an S-3 with the SEC, proposing raising another $8 billion in funding. Lucid filed for a mixed shelf offering, which will enable it to sell different types of securities in separate offerings with the size, price, and terms to be determined at the time of the sale. In their second quarter results, the company had upset investors with a 50% production cut for the full year. At the time, they blamed supply chain snarls and logistics challenges as the primary issues. With just 2 current analyst ratings, it does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 42%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we heard from Chinese internet giant Baidu. They crushed analyst expectations on earnings. In US dollars, they reported earnings per share of $2.36, beating the analyst consensus by 82 cents. Their total revenues came in at about $4.43 billion, which was down 5% year over year, but ahead of analyst expectations by $230 million. The results were driven by the strong performance of the company's cloud and other AI-powered businesses. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 39%. And we also heard from Big Lots, who posted mixed results for their Q2. Big Lots reported a loss of $2.28 per share, narrower than the estimated loss of $2.39 per share. But revenue came in at $1.3 billion, shy of the $1.4 billion estimated. Revenue had fallen 7.6% year over year. Analysts do currently rate the Big Lots stock a moderate sell with an average downside of over 6%. In the after hours today, we will be hearing from a few big names, including CrowdStrike, Chewy, ChargePoint, and HP. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Weber, though there doesn't seem to be any distinct news behind the rise. Trading under the ticker WEBR, the stock is up 7.3%. They're followed by the TAL Education Group under TAL, up 6.24%, and New Oriental Education under EDU, up 6.4%. I also apologize that my little chart is out of order this morning. Our biggest loser this morning, also on no apparent news, is Arch Resources. Under the ticker ARCH, they're down 4.8%. They're followed by the Golden Ocean Group under GOGL, down 3.7%, and Mandiant under MNDT, down 3.24%. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.